Operating instructions for ATOYX 66C Kids drone. First, install the remote control and drone batteries. The indicator light will be flashing after the drone is powered on. Long press the remote control switch button to turn on. At this time, the drone is in pending pairing mode. The indicator light keeps flashing. Push the throttle stick of the remote control to the top and then pull it down. The indicator light becomes keeping on. Then the frequency matching between the drone and the remote control is successed. You should calibrate the drone before taking off. Push the throttle stick and joystick of the remote control to the lower right corner at the same time. At this time, the indicator light of the drone flashes quickly until it stays on. After the calibration is completed, you can operate the drone more stably. Push the throttle stick up or down, the drone will rise or fall. Push the throttle stick left or right, the drone will rotate left or right. Push the joystick forward or backward to move the drone forward or backward. Push the joystick left or right to move the drone left or right. Long press the stunt button until you hear the sound of D. Push the joystick in all directions. Then the drone will flip in all directions. The indicator light will flash when the drone battery is low. The battery should be removed. Insert the side with the USB port into the adapter port. The other end is correctly connected to the battery port. When the light is on, the battery is charging. When the light is off, the charging is full.